All right, Green Bay memorabilia collectors, this is the video to find the winner of the Aaron Rodgers Authentic Chrome Helmet being signed at the signing coming up in August. So we'll check the time, July 31st at 3:03 p.m. We're going to go over to, I got to scoot this down here. We're going to go over to the break, or the raffle, sorry, and type live. And we have July 31st at 3:03 p.m. Let's scoot this back up here. There we go. This is the list of our 21 entries. We're just going to randomize your names, and then whoever's on top after the final roll is our winner. So we need a dice roll of 5 or higher. There's 10. All right, 10 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Last and final. Here we go. Good luck. It is Guy. Spot 1 is our winner. So Guy, you are the winner of the Rodgers Authentic Chrome Helmet. This there's our verification code, our timestamp once again, July 31st at 3:04 p.m. That's it, guys. Thanks.